Hey creatives, good evening. It's this is like 2:10 p.m. I'm home, stressed out from work and all that. So just wanted to give give everyone put everyone like up to speed as to what I've been up to and all that. So on my part, I really haven't been, because you might have noticed that I haven't really been posting videos of late. I haven't even had time to actually keep up to my schedule. Fortunately, I think I should take this off. Ah, there you are, real face. So, unfortunately, it's mostly because of my work schedule. But truth be told, I have a bunch of content and tutorial ideas that I would have to put out starting May. I'm not sure if I might put out a video this month. I probably might, but like fingers crossed on that one. But so that's that about that regarding playbook. I'm bringing back play kits. So play kit actually is like a design library, or like think about it as some kind of UI kit. It's a UI kit I was working on, I think either last year or 2 years ago, but I had to stop that because well, work again, there wasn't really that much, and my idea for it, I didn't really have the time or the proper understanding of what it actually took at the time. I just wanted to like try my hands at it, and I got a bunch of really cool creatives, but it kind of fell apart because I think we were still learning what design systems meant. And being that I'm currently creative director now, I have a better overview in terms of context of what actually goes into a design system or a design library or some kind of system, or basically what creatives actually use to cough out these things. So I'm bringing that back. Update on Nollywood spoof. It's gonna happen this year. So me and Muiwa Wojide, very close friend of mine, we both went to Covenant University. We are actually cooking up something. I can't really speak up the dates right now, but we're putting resources together to make sure that it actually happens. And I guarantee you, the spoof is happening this year. I really can't say for brand spoof. It may or may not happen. I'm not really sure about that. Then let's see. Update on Overlays Awards. Truth be told, I had to keep that on hiatus for now. Reason being that I there's so much I'm taking on at the moment, and it results in me splitting my attention in so many places, and I don't think that's a very effective way for me to work. So I've put on a hiatus. I want to see what I can accomplish this year with my plans, and that will largely determine whether or not I will go with overlay next year. It's looking positive, no doubt, but I want to do it properly. I want to do it properly. For those of you who, wow, for those of you who actually, yes, NEPA took the light, believe it or not. Anyways, for those of you who submitted your, are you kidding me right now? For those of you who actually submitted your content to me, to the competition, we will find a way to actually ensure that you are properly included and considered and awarded appropriately. So that's that about that. What else am I doing? What else am I working on? Yes, so Leah's is also on hiatus. It is sad. I was this close to jetting it off and like ending the entire program, but I can't. But I'm currently looking for volunteers who would actually help maintain layers and stick to the vision. So if you're open to the idea, just hit me up. I'll just onboard you and then we'll get to it. What else? Design Jobcaster. So basically, the Jobcaster network is thriving. I wouldn't say as like this really big community yet. Our Telegram group just has like 211 people currently, and we are currently looking to expand a lot more. But um, I'll include the link below. But we actually have like great plans ahead for the community, especially for the design arm of the Jobcaster network. That's for Design Jobcaster. Dev Jobcaster is also thriving little by little. It's growing. Just has like a small 67 people Telegram group. But it's growing. It's growing. I will put more effort into advertising to make sure that a lot of people actually get on the platform and people are able to have access to job opportunities whenever they can. There are more things that are in the pipeline that I really can't talk about, but everyone will get to see it in due time. What else? I think that is. Oh yeah. I and a friend of mine, a good friend of mine, Leonard, we are going to be starting a new company. It took a lot of convincing because ever since ND Interactive went on hiatus, I kind of had I was very skeptical about starting up another company. It doesn't mean I'm going to quit my day job though. I mean, yeah, yet, yeah, but we're gonna have a new company, and I will be announcing more information on that. So I think that's basically it. If there's any other update I need to pass across, I will ensure that you get it as quickly as possible. I want to thank everyone, every single one of you, all my subscribers, all my followers, people who have been following my work, people who have been supporting me with kind words. I want to thank all of you because, believe it or not, I do this for you. I don't make any kind of monetary gain from this besides the occasional donations that people actually send my way. And even for that, I am most grateful. I'm really grateful. I do what I do because of the love of because of the love I have for this community. I want to see people grow. I want to see people accomplish their dreams. Basically, I want to see people unleash their true potential in this industry and this space. And most importantly, I want people within this space to be like recognized worldwide, because we have the potential for it, we have the brains for it. All we just need is a bigger platform, and I'll do whatever it is I can to the extent of my abilities and even beyond to make sure that this is possible. So, for everyone who's helped me in the past, for everyone who has pitched into my ideas, who has volunteered, who have actually keyed into my ideas, I really can't name names right now because there are a lot of you guys. I just want to thank you and I appreciate everything. I really do. I appreciate everything. All right, so that's that for me. Until I see you guys again, good night. And hopefully, NEPA will bring the light. Ciao.